Now, let us study the calculation of the density of the unit cell. Okay, so we know that density can be taken as the ratio of mass to volume. That is, density is equal to mass by volume. So, to calculate the value of density of the unit cell, we have to take the ratio of mass of the unit cell to the volume of the unit cell. Okay, so let us study what is the value of mass of the unit cell. So mass of the unit cell, in this unit cell there is a presence of particles. So in an element the particle can be taken as atoms. So to calculate the value of mass of the unit cell, we have to take the product of number of particles into mass of each particle. That means the number of particles into mass of each particle can be taken as mass of each atom. So number of particles can be taken as Z. So in case of simple cubic, the value of Z is equal to 1. In case of BCC, the value of Z is equal to 2. And in case of FCC, the value of Z is equal to 4. That is nothing but the number of particles. Into mass of each atom can be calculated by taking the ratio of atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. So this equation to calculate the value of mass of individual atom is comes from the first PUC. That is from the first 11th standard topic. So based on that we can calculate the value of mass of individual atom by taking the ratio of atomic mass of an element to the Avogadro number. Okay, so number of particles can be taken as Z and atomic mass of individual element can be taken as M and the value of Avogadro number can be taken as capital N. Okay, so next we got the value of mass of the unit cell. Next we will go for the volume of the unit cell. So we will consider a cube having edge length A. So to represent a cube, so we have to write the cube like this. So this is nothing but the representation of a cube. In this all sides are equal. We will consider one of the edge length which is found to be A. That is length is A, breadth is also A and height is also A. So we have to calculate the volume of this unit cell. For that purpose we have taken the cube having the edge length A. So we have considered a cube having edge length A, having so many units, A units. Next, to calculate the value of volume of the cube, or can also take it as the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell is equal to length into breadth into height. All are equal, so that A into A into A can be taken as A cube. So volume of the unit cell is found to be A cube. So we know that the mass of the unit cell is Zm by N, whereas the volume of the unit cell is found to be A cube. So we will substitute these two values in this equation. The density of the unit cell is equal to Zm divided by N into A cube. So where Z is nothing but the number of particles, M is the mass of the element and N is the Avogadro number and A is nothing but the edge length. We have to take the cubic of this edge length to get the value of the volume of the unit cell. That is, rho is called the density of the unit cell. So rho is equal to Zm divided by N into A cube. So this is nothing but the equation used to calculate the value of density of the unit cell. So to calculate the value of density, the equation used is D is equal to Zm divided by N into A cube. So D is nothing but the density. It can also be represented as rho. It is rho is equal to Zm divided by N into A cube. And also where D and rho is nothing but the density of the unit cell and Z is nothing but the number of particles and M is the mass of the substance and N means the Avogadro number. The Avogadro number value is expressed in terms of either N or Na. And A is the edge length and we have to calculate the value for the volume of the unit cell by taking the cubic of the edge length. That is, A cube is equal to is nothing but the volume of the unit cell. We know the density equation. So by using the density equation we can calculate the value of density. Now we will study the calculation of density using some of the problems. Okay, we will go through first problem. calcium metal crystallizes in face-centered cubic lattice with edge length of 0.556 nanometers. So edge length is in terms of nanometers. Calculate the density of the metal calcium. So given one of the value given is Na. Na means the Avogadro number. Okay. So we will write down the data given in the problem. So M is nothing but the atomic mass of calcium. So they have mentioned only the calcium. Calcium is having an atomic mass which is equal to 40. So generally atomic mass is expressed in terms of grams, 40 grams. So if you want to convert the grams into kg, 40 into 10 power minus 3 kg, because generally the value of density is expressed in terms of either kg per meter cube or in terms of gram per cm cube. So we will go through the calculation of density in terms of kg per meter cube. Hence we have converted the mass of the calcium from grams to kg by multiplying with 10 power minus 3. And so they have mentioned face-centered cubic lattice. Face-centered means FCC. The number of particles exist in FCC is found to be Z is equal to 4. And A is nothing but the edge length. The edge length value is also given 0.556 nanometers. 0.556 nanometers. So what is the value of nanometer? Nano means 10 power minus 9 meter. So if we know the value of edge length, we have to calculate the value of the volume of the unit cell. That means we have to take the cubic of this edge length. A cube is nothing but the volume of the unit cell. Okay. So A cube is equal to 0.556 into 10 power minus 9 meter whole cube. So after simplification, we are going to get A cube is equal to 0.171879 into 10 power minus 27 meter cube. So meter on cubic gives us to cubic meter or meter cube. And the value of Avogadro number is also given in the problem, which is found to be 6.022 into 10 power 23. So we know the equation to calculate the value of density. Density, it may be either rho or it may be either D. Okay, so rho is equal to Zm divided by Na into A cube. Okay, so what is the value of Z according to the values given? Z is equal to 4 into M value is given, mentioned 40 into 10 power minus 3, and the value of Na is 6.022 into 10 power 23, and the value of A cube which is calculated, which is found to be 0.171879 into 10 power minus 27. Okay, so after simplification, you just take 4 into 40 and then you divide from 6.022 and again divide from 0.171879. So that we are going to get 154.58 value, and in the numerator we have got 10 power minus 3, and in the denominator 10 power 23 and 10 power minus 27. That means 10 power minus 24. If it goes to the numerator, the value is found to be 10 power plus 4. 10 power minus 4 is there in the denominator. If it goes to numerator, 10 power plus 4. Okay. So this value, the combination of these two, we are going to get 10 power minus 3, sorry, plus 3, 10 power plus 1, minus 3 plus 4, we are going to get 10 power plus 1 or 10. So multiplying this value by 10, we are going to get 1545.8 kg per meter cube, because the value of mass is in terms of kg and the volume of the unit cell is in terms of meter cube. Hence the value of the density obtained is in terms of kg per meter cube. So if you want to convert kg per meter cube into gram per cm cube, so we will divide from 10 power 3 or divide from 1000. We are going to get the density in terms of gram per cm cube. Okay, let us discuss the second problem, which is also the calculation of density. So in this, calculate the density of the unit cell given an element having atomic mass 60 has face-centered cubic unit cell. The edge length of the unit cell is 400 picometers. and the value of n. N means Avogadro number is also given. So generally Avogadro number is expressed as n or Na. Okay. So what is the value given in the problem that we will write down? So calculate the value of density. So we need to calculate the value of density, that is rho is equal to how much. Okay. And then given the element having atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element given is found to be 60. Generally atomic mass is expressed in terms of grams, that is 60 grams, which is equal to, if you want to convert grams into kg, 60 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Then 60 atomic mass 60 has face-centered cubic unit cell. That means the value of Z is also given. It is found to be 4. The value of Z is not given, but it is mentioned as a face-centered cubic unit cell. In that face-centered, the number of particles is found to be 4, which is nothing but the value of Z. And then the edge length of the unit cell is found to be 400 picometers. The value of A is found to be 400 picometers. Pico means, what is the value of picometer? 10 power minus 12 meter. So we know that in the previous problem, nanometer is given. Nano means 10 power minus 9. So if it is picometer, the value of picometer is found to be 10 power minus 12 meter. Okay. So after the obtaining of this A in terms of the meters, we will go for the A cube, that is nothing but the volume of the unit cell. So the volume of the unit cell A cube is equal to 400 into 10 power minus 12 meter whole cube. So after simplification, we are going to get 6 zeros along with the 10 power minus 36 meter cube. So this is the value for the volume of the unit cell or A cube. And the value of n is given, Avogadro number, which is found to be 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. And we should calculate the value of density of the unit cell. So generally density is expressed in terms of either kg per meter cube or in terms of gram per cm cube. And the equation used to calculate is rho is equal to Zm divided by n into A cube or Na into A cube. And the value of density is also mentioned as either rho or D. And so after the substitution, the value of Z is found to be 4 and the value of M is found to be 60 into 10 power minus 3, which is there in the previous step. And in the denominator, the value of n, Avogadro number, is given, which is written, and the value of A cube, which is calculated, which is also mentioned here. Okay, so after the simplification, so we have to simplify first 4 into 60 divided by 6.022, again divided by 6 zeros. So after the simplification of that part, we are going to get 0.666666, 6 zeros. So that means 0.000000 along with that 6227. So we have 10 power minus 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator we got 10 power plus 23 and 10 power minus 36. The simplification of these two is 10 power minus 13. If it goes to numerator, 10 power plus 13. So plus 13 and minus 3 will become 10. So 10 power 10 is there, and after this so by multiplying 10 power 10 to this number, we are going to get 6227 kg per meter cube. Okay, so the value of rho in terms of kg per meter cube is found to be 6227. So if you want to convert kg per meter cube into gram per cm cube, the value of density is found to be 6.227 gram per cm cube. That means we have to multiply, we have to divide by 1000 to convert kg per meter cube into gram per cm cube.